So I'm going to show you how to download and install the EA app game launcher on your MacBook Ne. Now, this should be very, very simple. All you have to do is go to your favorite browser and then just simply search EA app download and then hit enter. And from the results, you should see download the EA app. Make sure it's on the www.ea.com website. That's the official website for EA. So make sure you get the correct application. And when you click on that link, it should take you to this page. So what you need to do here is click on download the EA app, and it's going to prepare the correct download for you, which is a Mac download because it recognizes you're using a Mac. So I'm going to click on the Mac option, and then from the pop-up window, allow the download. Now it should begin downloading, and I can see the progress right here on my Safari browser. With the download complete, you can now go ahead and double click on the file. And from the pop-up window, you should see welcome to the installer. You can now follow the on-screen instructions to have the app installed on your Mac. So to continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms and conditions. I'm going to click on agree, and then you have the destination select. So if you want to change the installation folder, you can change. But for me, I'm just going to hit continue. Standard installation on Macintosh HD, which is what I want. So I'm going to click on that. You might need to enter your password. And now the installation process has begun. And that's it. So now I can hit close. And then it says, do you want to move the installer to the bin? Yes, I'm going to move that to the bin because I want to keep my storage clear. So with all that done, I'm just going to close the browser, and then now I can go to Spotlight and look for the EA app. There you go. So double click on it to launch it. It's going to take a while here. So it says EA app wants to make changes. I have to enter my Mac's password. Now it's going to launch. EA app to find devices on your local networks. Click on allow. Now, these are some of the permissions you must allow for the first time you're launching this application. So there's the EA app. You can now sign into your account, and you can go ahead and download any game you might have wanted to download. Thanks for watching, and good luck.